I would like to thank Mr. Warren Stewart, leader, as past student of the Newton Gwang Primary School, for his generous, and I say generous, donation and gift to the school. Today we have 25 suits. We have the running gear, the full body suits, and we have the warm-up suits. And he ensured that Newton Gwang Primary School this year is going out in grand style and fashion. So this morning,
I would like to present to you our new uniforms for our athletic purposes, courtesy of Mr. Warren, leader. Come on, give it up, give it up. So this showcases our wonderful bulldogs, our dynamic bulldogs. This shows the collaboration between community and school, and for this we are so very proud.